Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to add a cookie banner on your GoDaddy. So, let's get started. When you log into your GoDaddy and go to a website builder, when you choose the website you wanna edit, you will go to the settings of that website in the right corner. You will click settings and you will go to your cookie banner. After you go to your cookie banner, you can here see everything to do with it. You can choose the title of it, you can choose the message of the cookie banner, and you can choose if of course you will have the accept button, and you can choose if you want to have the decline button or to do not to have the decline button, and of course you can have advanced tracking. When you choose and edit it how you want it, you will have your cookie up here, down here on your website, and after everything is covered and done, you just click here done, and you will have your cookie when your website is published. It will pop off in like in any other site, and people can see it and accept your cookies. So, guys, this is how you add a cookie banner on GoDaddy. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments down below, or visit our channel. We have any other tutorial that you need for everything you need, like for GoDaddy. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!